In this video, I will explain how you can use ChatGPT to earn money online as a beginner and receive payment on the same day. Within my first 3 days, I managed to consistently make around $100 per day, and now I'm making even more. The best part is that you don't need any initial investment because this is an AI automated cash machine. Before we start, welcome to That iNinja. This channel demonstrates various ways to make easy money using the latest AI technology. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications to stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques. The cow machine relies entirely on free software, which may sound too good to be true. However, when a business opportunity requires no money and minimal effort, many people become interested. Given the number of people pursuing similar ventures, I will share 3 ChatGPT business models to help you get started. To pursue these 3 businesses, you will need a ChatGPT account. Simply visit chat.openai.com, click on Introduced in ChatGPT, sign up, and create an account. This process takes just a few seconds. The interface is user-friendly and allows you to communicate with the most powerful entity in the universe. Let's begin with the first way to make money using ChatGPT, which I initially tried out for fun, but now earn $1,000 per month from. When you start making money effortlessly, you know you're onto something great. This business model combines Amazon affiliate marketing with Mediavine display network advertising. The first requirement is a website, but don't worry, it's easier than you might think, and I'll show you the simplest way to do it when we reach the third method. One of my websites is stealjawlinegum.com, which targets individuals, primarily men, who aim to enhance their jawline. Every article on this site revolves around this topic, such as how to achieve a chiseled jawline in 7 steps, or natural techniques for developing your masseter muscles. Let's say I want to add an article to this website. I can simply ask ChatGPT, what are the top 10 jawline exercisers on Amazon? Once I receive the list, I ask it to write a listicle article about these exercises. I review the article, request additional details, expand on points, and include pros and cons. Finally, I copied the code into my website using Shopify as the platform. I make some adjustments to the grammar, add emojis, and ensure it looks appealing. Next, you need to create an Amazon affiliate account. Once you're set up, you'll notice a gray bar at the top of Amazon's website. This bar will always be present when you view a product, allowing you to easily copy the affiliate link. Now let's take a closer look at this aspect. When someone visits your website and clicks on your affiliate link, they are redirected to Amazon. If they decide to make a purchase, you earn a commission from that sale. But what if you create a website, people visit it, but nobody clicks on anything or buys anything? Does that mean you wrote the entire article for nothing? Not at all. In such cases, you can utilize Mediavine's display ads. For example, if an article featuring 10 celebrities we admire doesn't promote any specific products, you can place these ads within the article. When people visit and view the article, you earn money even if they don't take any action. Personally, I use Mediavine to display ads on my website. They handle everything, and I just need to specify which articles to put ads on. Alternatively, you could consider using other platforms like Ezoic, AdThrive, or Google AdSense. One of the great advantages of this business model is its ease of sale. In fact, you can sell the entire website itself. You can visit Flippa or EmpireFlippers.com to list and sell this type of website, which typically fetches around 30 times the monthly profit. The second method revolves around a niche for which people are already willing to pay between $2,000 and $3,000 per month. With ChatGPT, you can do it even better and for free. This business model involves selling a winning product in a profitable niche. ChatGPT leverages its extensive data to help you identify these winning products. The most challenging aspect of e-commerce is often knowing what to sell, but now you can find the answer within 20 seconds. Unfortunately, most people overlook the obvious and prefer to invent and innovate, even though their friends who choose proven product ideas end up making money. To explore this method, I initiated a chat and asked a specific question. What are some items that sell in high volumes on eBay and Amazon? ChatGPT provided insights into consumer electronics, fashion and accessories, home and kitchen appliances, health and beauty products, toys and games, home improvement and DIY, sports and outdoor equipment, books and educational materials, pet supplies, and automotive accessories. Since electronics are small, expensive, and easy to ship, I focused on that category. I then inquired about the highest selling electronics items and received 10 product suggestions based on ChatGPT's vast knowledge. Once I had some ideas and inspiration from ChatGPT, I delved deeper into product research. I considered factors such as the selling price, actual costs, and shipping expenses. For example, I came across headphones that showed impressive statistics, a high sell-through rate and a 100% success rate for listings. This indicated a strong likelihood of selling those items. I further explored the products on Amazon, looking at their ratings and prices. While some items had high ratings, they were priced lower. I preferred to focus on items with higher prices and substantial ratings. To proceed, I would obtain the product from platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, Shig, or through dropshipping. Once I acquire the product, I can list and sell it on eBay. The final chapter focuses on the ChatGPT business model, which is the fastest way to generate significant amounts of money quickly and is highly scalable. Specifically, it involves ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok to drive traffic. The step-by-step process is straightforward and scalable. The first step is to sign up for a ClickBank account, which only takes a couple of minutes and can have a life-changing impact. By exploring the top offers on ClickBank, you can identify products that are already selling well. The gravity score, which measures the conversion rate of an offer, helps determine its popularity. For example, Alpiline is a top offer with a high gravity score, indicating strong conversion rates. Promoting this product can lead to an average commission of $134 per conversion. To promote the product effectively, the strategy involves giving away a free ebook on TikTok to capture people's emails. ChatGPT can assist in generating the ebook content by providing an outline and chapters. Creating a visually appealing cover for the ebook can be done using canva.com to drive traffic and collect emails. A landing page is created using platforms like ConvertKit or Aweber. Once the landing page is set up, an email sequence is implemented to engage subscribers and promote ClickBank offers related to their interests. When subscribers click on these offers and make purchases, the affiliate marketer earns commissions. This business model is not limited to teenagers, but is employed by successful companies like Morning Brew, The Hustle, and the Milk Road, generating millions of dollars monthly. It is a scalable approach that involves creating content to drive traffic and promoting existing products without the need to develop one's own. Free online tools and a little time investment make this method accessible. While these 3 methods presented in the video are beginner-friendly, it's important to note that there are numerous other ways to make money online using ChatGPT. For more detailed explanations and alternative methods, you can explore further resources. The video concludes with a reminder to like, subscribe, and express gratitude for the viewer's presence, wishing them an amazing day and looking forward to their return.